Hello and welcome. This lecture is based on practice problems on parallel lines. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD. This line AB is parallel to CD line. Angle A is 128 degrees. This angle A is 128 degrees. Angle E is 144 degrees. This angle E is 144 degrees. Then we have to find angle FCD. That means we have to find this angle. Now we are given that this line AB is parallel to CD line and angle A is 128 degrees and this angle is 144 degrees and we have to find angle FCD. Now there is no single transversal. We cannot say that A is transversal over here. So how to do this kind of figure? Sometimes we have to construct a few lines. In this case, one of the possibilities is that from E we can draw a line parallel to AB parallel to CD. Let's see whether this can help us to find this angle. Let us suppose that EM is a line through E parallel to AB and parallel to CD. If EM is parallel to AB, then it is also parallel to CD because AB is parallel to CD. So EM is parallel to both AB as well as CD. Now in this case, EM line is parallel to AB line. Then A is just like a transversal. That means if we call this as angle 1 and this as angle 2, then they are co-interior angle on the same side of transversal. So their sum is 180 degree. As we know that co-interior angle on the same side of transversal are supplementary. That means angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degrees. So angle 2 is 180 minus 128 degrees. So angle 2 is 52 degrees. This is 52 degrees. But this complete angle is 144 degrees given to us. So if we call this as angle 3, then sum of angle 2 and 3 is 144 degrees. So very easily we can find angle 3 by subtracting 52 from 144. So subtracting 52 degrees from both the sides, angle 3 is 92 degrees. So this angle is 92 degrees. And if we call this as angle 4, now EM is parallel to CD and EC is a transversal. So angle 3 and angle 4 are corresponding angles. So angle 4 is equals to angle 3. So angle 4 is also equals to 92 degrees. So 92 degrees is the right answer. Let's try a few more examples. In figure, AB is parallel to CD. Angle ABO is 40 degrees. This angle ABO is 40 degrees. Angle CDO is 30 degrees. This angle is 30 degrees. If angle DOB is X, this angle is X, then what is the value of X? Now we are given that AB line is parallel to CD line and angle ABO is 40 degrees. Angle CDO, this angle is 30 degrees and we have to find angle X. Again through O, we will draw a line parallel to AB parallel to CD. Like this. And let's call this as 1, this as 2, and this as 3 and this as 4 angle. Now MN is parallel to AB. So angle 1 is equals to angle 3. Alternate angles. So that means angle 3 is also 40 degrees because alternate angles are equal. Now here MN is parallel to CD. So angle 4 and angle 2 are equal because alternate angles are equal. So angle 4 is 30 degrees. Now this complete angle X is sum of angle 3 and angle 4. So is 40 degrees plus 30 degrees. equals to 70 degrees. And this option is there. So this second option is the right answer. In figure, CE is parallel to DB. DB line and CE line are parallel. If angle BAD is 110, BAD, this angle is 110. Angle ABD is 30 degree. ABD, this angle is 30 degree. Angle ADC is 75 degrees. Angle ADC, this complete angle is 75 degrees. Angle BCD is 60 degrees. BCD is 60 degrees. These four angles are given. Then what is the value of x? We have to find this value of x. So we are given that angle BAD, this angle BAD is 110 degrees. Angle ABD is 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. And angle ADC is 75 degrees. This complete angle is 75 degrees. Angle BCD is 60 degrees. BCD is this angle is 60 degrees. And we have to find this value x. We are also given that DB is parallel to CE. Now if DB is parallel to CE, then this angle x can be equal to this angle, alternate angles. So somehow if we are able to find this angle, we can very easily find angle x. And in order to find this angle, we need this angle, so that we can use angle sum property. Now because this angle is 110, this is 30, so we can find this angle. Because sum of these three angles is 180 degrees, because ABD is a triangle and we can apply angle sum property in triangle ADB. Now if we apply angle sum property in triangle ABD, that is angle A plus angle B plus, let's name this angle as 1 and this as 2. Angle 1 is equals to 180 degrees. This is 110. This is 30 degrees. So subtracting 140 degrees from both the sides, angle 1 is equals to 40 degrees. So we know this angle, this is 40 degrees. If angle 1 is 40 degrees, we can find angle 2. Because 1 plus 2 angle is 75 degrees. And this is 40 degrees. We can subtract 40 degrees from both the sides. So angle 2 is 35 degrees. That means this angle is 35 degrees. Now we know this angle. So very easily we can find this angle. Let's name this angle as 3 and this angle as 4. So angle 2 plus 3 plus 4 is also equals to 180 degrees. So this is 35 degrees. Angle 3 we need to find, and this is 60 degrees. So we can subtract 60 from both the sides. Again we can subtract 35 degrees from both the sides. So angle 3 is 85 degrees. So that means this angle 3 is 85 degrees. And because BD is parallel to CE and this is just like a transversal, so these two are alternate angles, alternate interior angles. So angle X is also 85 degrees. So angle X is also 85 degrees. Now here we are given that PQ is parallel to RT. This line PQ is parallel to RT line. And QR is parallel to UV line. This line QR is parallel to UV line. We have to find X. X is this angle. So we are given that PQ line is parallel to RT line and QR line is parallel to UV line. And we have to find this angle X. We are given that this angle UST angle is 112 degrees. Name this angle as 1. Now 1 angle is equals to 2 angle. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is 112 degrees. Now this line and this line are parallel lines and this is a transversal. So angle 2, and let's call this as angle 3. They are equal, corresponding angles. Angle 2 and angle 3 are corresponding angles. So angle 3 is also equals to 112. Now PQ line is parallel to RT line. Therefore, these are co-interior angle on the same side of transversal. So their sum is 180 degrees. That means X plus angle 3 is 180 degrees. And we know angle 3. Now subtracting 112 from both the sides. X is 68 degrees. So third option is the right answer.